Hello and welcome again to the My Account tutorial sessions from Aussietel Management. Today we're going to have a look at the reporting for live answer services that you have with Aussietel. So again, firstly we'll log into your My Account area using the customer ID and password that has been issued on your account. Logging into the control panel and clicking on services, which again brings up all of your services active with Aussietel. Scroll down to the live answering section, pick the live answer service that you want to look at and come across to the usage column. Okay, so clicking on usage then brings up all of the graphing and the detailed transactions for your live answer service. So just running through the top summary, you'll see that it obviously has the service number for the live answer, the billing period, which always comes up with the current period, and you can of course click on the drop down and choose whichever month you require to be looking at. Today we'll go back to the August month to give us obviously a full month's billing for us to have a look at. And then there's a summary of the active point of your service as well. So the number of messages that have been sent, the number of calls or messages that are included in your plan, in this case it's 25, the number of calls received, and the free calls left in your plan. For example, therefore, if you had 25 calls and you've had 30 messages already sent, then you're already over that limit and the excess charge for your calls comes into play. And the final summary value is the total duration of calls received, in case you're actually being charged on an hourly or per minute rate rather than per call. So just coming down now, we'll scroll down. The first section that you see is the monthly calls graph or trending graph for your service, and it simply shows you 12 months information and data. And if you scroll over each of the bar graphs, you'll see that it gives you a total of calls for each of those months coming up to the current month that you're looking at. So scrolling down now, the other part of the report is basically the detailed transaction of message history. So every message that has been taken on your behalf by Aussietel will be recorded in this section as well, so that you can come in and have a look at the detail of the history, and you may want to chase up any messages or any audit trail of a message that you need to come and get information for. So the details shown are the date and time of the call, the caller ID if it has been passed on to us by the caller. It's a Privacy Act thing obviously, but it shows the caller ID where we are permitted to do so, and then the full details of the message that has been taken by Aussietel on your behalf. And so you'll have all of that information, including of course any phone numbers that have been left by the caller that you could then chase up as well. So it shows all of the detail of all messages received for the whole month on that service. And that's the rundown of the reporting area for live answering service. So thank you, stay tuned, and we'll be issuing more tutorials on the reporting section for other services as well very shortly, and we shall see you again soon.